Hey everyone, as you know, it's really tough and challenging situation all around the world because of pandemic COVID-19. Because human is struggling with that situation. Along with that, stray dogs and animals are also struggling just because of that pandemic. Because everybody is locked in their homes, and in case of human can speak and tell their problems, but in case of stray dogs and animals, they can't speak, and now they expect more from human because they need help. They are speakless. We need to feed them regularly, we need to care them regularly. So if you are in any corner around the world, so it's your responsibility to feed the stray dogs uh, and stray animals. So it's your sole responsibility. If you are in any corner around the world, you need any assistant or help related to this or kind to this, you can contact us. We will there to help you regarding this. Thank you so much.